Good morning.
Oh my God.
Oh, I look a hot mess, but we rocking on. We rocking on. Welcome to Vlogmas day 21.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Good morning. I know the wake up stretcher is very cringe, but this is me actually waking up. For real, for real. You see me? Do you also see this? My phone is dead. Look how puffy my eyes are. And I'm whispering because my husband is asleep. I just see like Samantha Joe did a morning routine. And she was just talking about how a lot of other people do morning routines. And how they look really unrealistic or like not how her life works. And I like agree with that. So we're going to do a morning routine my style. I'm also working from home today. So yeah. This off before we get in the house because first of all he's not gonna run away. Second, he's gonna get in. Usually he'd be going into our room, but my husband's sleeping. I don't want him to wake him up, so log in and put my phone on the charger. My office space looks a mess again, per usual. Get my laptop out for work. My laptop's hooked up. We gotta log in on my computer because my phone is dead. So yeah. Interface, but when I'm working from home, I have to get my stuff like set up so that I can have a productive day and know like what I gotta do today. Y'all, this is the best base. Get this base for your phone, okay? Please. Do yourself a favor. It charges your phone extremely fast, so you need to get it. Next, we're going to make some coffee. Coffee. Filter. If you haven't been watching my vlogs and you don't know this, I know, that looks like coffee. This is brown sugar. I put brown sugar in there. This is actual coffee. I don't measure my coffee though. My husband is snoring. I don't know if y'all can hear him. He is out like a light. It's so hard doing things with my left hand. But if you guys are into mugs, I usually get my mugs from TJ Maxx. And I really like them because they have like these like pottery mugs there too, like this. And then also I just went to Urban Outfitters the other day. And y'all, the mugs were so cute. So they have some really cute mugs too. I'm still waiting on my coffee. I know they say like you're not supposed to rinse your mouth after you brush your teeth, but I'm so used to doing that, I can't stop doing that. So let's go ahead and change this band-aid. If you guys don't know, I thought I talked about what happened. It looks really gross, so I'm gonna do a trigger warning now. But it just looks like it's just dry blood. I smashed my finger in the door. So it was bleeding. You know when you smash your finger in the door and you try to take it out? It was bleeding and I ripped my skin and yeah, rest is history. Okay, so let's make our coffee because I have to edit that big long video I was talking to you guys about. It's the one that I had to combine days because I got behind on editing. No shame in my game, guys. Move some stuff around. Use this caramel macchiato international delight creamer. So we gotta edit. I know my hair still looks crazy, but we gotta edit and we gotta make a thumbnail. And I'm thinking about using this morning routine for yesterday's video because yesterday's video I really didn't do much. Can you see? Oh, maybe you can't. See where it says 152 minutes? I know the camera's like inverted or whatever. That's how much footage. But that is a course of 4 days, so you know, like I can't be mad. So I'm gonna show you how to make a thumbnail when you barely took photos, but I'm gonna show you how to make this shit shape for real, okay? You just gotta add in random shit. Like I had took a screenshot on my phone. You'd be surprised how many screenshots you take. But I had took a screenshot on my phone of like the weather, how the weather's gonna be for Christmas. So I just threw that bitch in there. You know what I'm saying? Like people fuck with shit like that. It's just random as hell. Okay, so you got that. Okay, so I got me driving that one night. A little, you know, portrait picture of me. You know, nothing too crazy. 2 pictures of us in our fucking socks. The weather. The song I've been playing on repeat, which is Special by SZA. Like, if you haven't listened to the whole SZA album, like, fucking unsubscribe. No, I'm just playing. Don't do that shit. But you need to listen to it, like, for real, for real. So now what I need is a picture right here. So let me go into my vault, aka my phone. And then remember, I had made that little snack. If you haven't seen the video, go watch the video. Because then this will make sense to you. And then I had a cut water randomly. So it's just literally random photos of, like, my past 4 days. Now we're going to go ahead and add in some text. So first, one thing I always do on my thumbnails is I add my name, my YouTube name. Okay. And then we're just going to make it small. Make it like 200. It's not small enough. We'll make it like 100. Not small enough. We're going to make it like 80. And then now we're just going to size it down to really small like that. And then I place it somewhere randomly within my thumbnail. So we're going to place it here on my ankle. And it says DestinyVlogs. It's kind of small, so you might like not really be able to see it that well. But I'll make it a little bigger like that so you can see it. Or I could put it like here. I'll put it there. Okay. So then now I need a, now I'm just looking at fonts right here. Fonts and trying to figure out like how do I want my shit to look. I really like that font. Okay. So we're gonna mess with this one. This is gonna be, I don't even know what to title this vlog because it's multiple days. Because if we're going from Saturday, so Saturday 17th through the 20th. 17 through 20, because that's what it is. And then we're definitely going to change the color because ill. Why is that yellow? And then we're going to make the font way bigger. Okay, that's too big. Way too big. Let's take it down to 100. Okay, that's pretty good. Still kind of big. Okay, so Vlogmas episode 17 through 20, which this is what that is. But I want to do an effect because like that is kind of crazy. So I want to do something that's like gonna make it stand out though. I kind of like that one better. Vlogmas episode 17 through 20, but I think it's a little big, so we're gonna take it down to 90. We're just gonna keep taking it down until we feel right about it. 80 might be better. What do you guys think? Now I've also seen people like put it way up or somewhere random, but I want you to see the pictures. So I think I'm gonna leave it right here. Vlogmas episode 17 through 20, and then now I'm gonna make little bodies of text. So I'm gonna say like, oh, let me take it out of that. Say matching socks moment. You can't see that right now. Hold on. Do this, and I'm gonna do that to be white. Okay. I'm gonna put that here. But I'm gonna go ahead and make that definitely smaller. I'm just gonna make that a little smaller. That. I'm just showing you guys how I like do my thumbnails. This is a new way I've been kind of doing them since I started watching different YouTubers, because I'm just getting like inspiration and like honestly guidance and advice, because I feel like I don't have anybody to like give me that. I don't like the way that looks. Let's put that here. So.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done by.
Y'all, we are finally exporting. The video ended up being less than 20 minutes. So let's take that into consideration, y'all. Like, I literally started with 2.5 hours of footage and we're down to 20 minutes. That's how much I be cutting shit out. But as like I always say, it's better to have more than have way too less. And so it took me almost 2 hours. The thumbnail is done. Well, actually, let me just keep it going because I still have to, what do I have to do? I have to upload it and stuff. So I guess the time is still going. Just to get like a grand total of how long it's taking. Okay, so the video is up finally, and I got a new subscriber. We're at 109. But yeah, the vlog is finally up. It took me a total of 2 hours to edit the vlog, add in the music, the text, make the thumbnail, download, export that video onto my phone, and then upload it to YouTube and get it successfully uploaded. I am tired. That's what I did this morning. 2 hours of editing. Oh my gosh. Jesus. I could definitely do some breakfast. So let's see what we're gonna make for breakfast. I got eggs, which I need to go to the store today and get some stuff. We got eggs, we got sausage, we got cheese, and we have croissants. So that's what I'm making for breakfast this morning. It's gonna be eggs, sausage, and some croissants. Okay, so I have the oven preheating because it said to do 375. So yeah, I'm only gonna cook 4 of these so we can each have 2. So let's get this going. Rolls look like, I know they look a hot mess. Please don't come for me, but we'll see how they cook though. Okay, so the croissants didn't come out looking like croissants, but they're good though. They're good. And I got some eggs and then the sausage, and I'm gonna go get me some orange juice. Store about to be closed. So if y'all need stuff, y'all better go get it now. Y'all gonna be starving. Be starving on Christmas Day, boy. Just a little. I'm on episode 6. I'm almost done. It's only 8 episodes, y'all. Okay, quick before I end this vlog, I want to show you guys our pajamas. They just came in. Well, it's like, I just told my husband I'm never ordering from Target again because I ordered pajamas for me, my husband, my dog, and then 2 pairs of socks for me and my husband. Y'all, they literally came in like 5 different packages. And then my dog's pajamas didn't even get delivered. So I had to get a refund for that. But these are the pajamas. This is like the colors. This is my husband's. Aren't they cute? These are the socks. Yeah, they're little gnomes. So the socks go with the pajamas. And these are mine. I got a double XL for mine because the pants are like skinny pants. So I was like, I don't want them to be like too tight. So I got a double XL for mine too. And then, but yeah, the dog ones never came. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Just a little morning. It's not even a routine, y'all. It's literally just spend the morning with me, I guess. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment only positive things, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Okay, bye.
You should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side.